This is the Skywalker from Helicute, and I'm gonna tell you why I think this is literally the best budget micro RC drone that money can buy. So in the box you get the drone itself, a 2.4 GHz compact controller, a USB charger, 4 extra spare props and a Phillips screwdriver. So as I said, this is a beginner friendly drone. What I mean by that, this should be easy to fly by anyone who is new to drones, and also you are going to crash being a beginner, so it should be well protected. So if you see the design of this, it is basically like a cage type design around the prop. So how many times you crash it, no matter, it is going to keep flying. So as it arrives to you, first you need to charge it. Charging takes about 40 minutes and you are ready to fly. And also you need to insert 3 AAA batteries in the controller. So let's talk about the controller. So as you can see, this controller comes in nice white and black design. You need to insert 3 AAA batteries back there. And also it comes with altitude hold. That means if you leave the controller, the drone will keep hovering at the same place. So takeoff is easy. You just press this button to take off. It basically owns the rotor and then you push the throttle up to take off, or you just do this gesture and it owns the motor same. There are 3 speed modes. By pressing this left joystick button once, it comes in speed number 2, then pressing it again, speed number 3, and this is the fastest it can go, and again if you press it again, it goes back to speed 1. So flipping this drone is easy. You just press the right joystick and it enters to flip mode. Then you press whichever direction you want to flip it. You just flick this and it flips that direction. So as I said, it is very easy to fly. I did fly it outdoors. As you can see, there was very minimal wind, so it performed okay. Indoor flying is very simple. You just on this on the controller and bind it and you are ready to fly. I can basically fly it right now. It is very responsive to my control. This is the low speed mode. This is the high speed mode. You can see the yaw rate, and this is the highest it can go. This is the yaw rate, and it is very responsive. Talking about the lights, there are 2 white lights in the front and 2 tail lights at the back, which are red, and there is a really bright light at the front, as you can see, which is the headlight. And landing is very simple. You just take your palm, hit the 1 key land, and it lands. So flight time is about 6 minutes, even though there are a lot of screws holding this good propeller design, and the battery is 240 mAh, which is basically 10 mAh is lesser than normal micro drones. Still, I stopwatched it and it clocked me about 6 minutes and 50 seconds. And talking about the propeller design, I think this is what prolongs the battery life. There are 3 bladed propellers in this drone. Basically in micro drones you'll normally see 4 bladed propellers or 2 bladed. I didn't even knew this existed before I bought this drone. And so far, if you are enjoying this video a sub to the channel would be awesome. And also I saw my friend's video yesterday and he made a video called as making slime, that was its title, and he didn't really use a very attractive thumbnail and he did not actually make the slime. He already made it and then showed it, and it was only for 10 seconds and he got plenty of views. So comment down below if you want to see me making slime, but I'll make a proper slime like glitter slime, clear slime, maybe fluffy slime. So please comment down below. Probably next video is going to be making slime.